Hey, you might not believe this. This website is going to allow you make money from your Facebook or TikTok account. Yes, follow every step and watch to the end. The platform is known as Paid Effort. Yes, Paid Effort. So you log on to paideffort.com, then you have a look around. Yes, with this platform, you can monetize your Facebook or your TikTok account. All you have to do is to apply. So that is their office that you see is in UK and it's in Ghana. So let's move up and apply now. So these are the required details for the application. You enter your name, your email, phone number, country, and others. So let's say my name is Edward. I move on to the last name. From there, we go to the email. Make sure that every detail that you put in this is correct. You enter your number, your country, your city, and then username to your TikTok or Facebook account. You input the username and the account URL as well. After inputting both, you click submit. So for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm just going to input this. Let's say this is my username. Then you copy your profile URL into the space provided. After doing that, you do the same to the Facebook and click on submit. Yes. So once you click submit, you will be contacted if your account meets the requirement. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech with Ninana for more. See you soon.